Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a friend list private on your Facebook page. So for this purpose you have to open the Facebook app. Now you have to tap on these three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on the settings. Now you have to scroll down and search for how people find and contact you. Now you can see the option who can see your friend list. So you have to tap on the public and select only me. If you want to share your friend list with your friends or friend accept some other friends or some specific friends, you can choose them too. Just like if I want to share my friend list with some specific friends, so I will choose this option and I will add the specific friends whom I can show my friend list. So this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video.